Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel Wix subscription. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. Basically what you're going to do in order to cancel your site plan, go to the premium subscription in your Wix account and click the more actions icon next to the relevant plan and then click cancel plan. And the last step, click cancel now in the pop-up to confirm. Note this does not cancel your plan immediately. Your plan will remain active until the end of the current subscription period. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.